In this video, we will learn how to create brushy Aparajita or butterfly pea flower tree in bucket. It can be done very easily and in a short time. First, the seeds must be collected from the tree. Then the seeds should be carefully selected. Spread the seeds well on a tissue paper. Then wet it with water and keep it in a box. After 7 days, the seeds will germinate well. Then they should be planted in rows. Make small holes in the bottom of the bucket and the surface of stick and bottle. The bucket should be filled first with gravel, then sand, and then soil. After a week, the seedlings should be transferred to the bucket. Then put a fence on the bucket. After 15 days, after 25 days, after 30 days,